Hi guys, today we're going to make spiralized zucchini. So you need a spiralizer, spiralize some zucchini. We're also going to use cauliflower, tomatoes. You can also use a frozen meal instead of just cauliflower. You can use broccoli, you can get yourself some frozen. This is a California blend, gives you carrots, broccoli, defrost it, cook it up, and add it to your meal. The way I just made a tomato sauce is I took some crushed tomatoes, no salt, and a can of salsa, which is low salt, 90 milligrams. So I took this and dumped it inside here, mixed it up. That's my tomato sauce. This is going to be my meatballs, and these will pop in your mouth while you eat them. So you take cauliflower that's cut up into florets, bite size, tomatoes, put it in your microwave, put a lid on it, put it in for 5 minutes. Take the sauce, 5 minutes. Take the spiralized zucchini, 2 minutes. And you have a meal. And you just take the zucchini and the cauliflower, put it together, throw a little tomato sauce on it, mix it up. You can throw in some mushrooms, give it a little mushroom sauce. Should be very good. If you want some cheese, you take some nutritional yeast, you sprinkle it on, and you got yourself a meal. Takes 15 minutes. Enjoy.